In this video, I'm trying every volumizing hair product all in one day. For context, this is a guy from the 80s. He's got a lot of volume going on. And the product that he and almost everyone in the 80s used to get this volume is mousse. Mousse was the start of the volumized hair products. It was the main hair product used by both men and women. Fast forward to 2024, and it seems like there are all different kinds of volumizing hair products. And not just for women. You got volume shampoo, conditioner, volume powder, volume boosting dry shampoo, volume boosting foam. You get the idea. And as someone who has many hair products themselves, I was just wondering, are all of these really necessary and do they even work? And it can be super frustrating not knowing which one to buy for yourself. Especially for me because I'm a hair influencer and I hate wasting tons of my money on products that don't even work. Well, I was tired of wondering, so I decided to try every single volumizing hair product that I know of. So I'll try out every single one throughout the day, and at the end you'll be able to see how volumized my hair got by using all of these products. So I put all the products in the order that I'm going to be using them. So that means that I'm first starting out with the volumizing shampoo and conditioner. So I'll admit I have used both of these products before and they both do work. And I think this is probably the most unique shampoo I've ever used because, I mean, look at it. It's literally yellow and it honestly has a really nice smell to it as well. Alright, I just got out the shower, as you guys can tell, and man, I feel like the two of those products combined are like a superpower. Like, I feel like my hair is about to be like super volumized, but we'll just have to wait and see. Like I've said, I have used these two products before, but not at the same time, so this should be interesting. And this is a tip just for all of you guys out there. Don't get your towel and just start going crazy on your hair like most guys do. That just causes a ton of breakage. So what I do, and I know a lot of people call it fruity and whatever, I don't care, it works. But what I like to do is I like to put my hair down and just wrap. Just keep wrapping it like this, and then I'll pull it over into like a little turban. And I know this is what a lot of women do, so you know, I don't care, it works, alright? And then yeah, I'll basically just kind of pad dry it for about 5 more minutes, and then next we're gonna move on to the mousse.
A few moments later.
Alright, it's been a good 5 minutes now, and now it's time to move on to the mousse. And I'm not gonna lie, this is my mom's. I've never used a mousse before. I honestly don't even know how it works, but we're gonna figure it out together. So first, I know you do have to have like damp hair, or I think it's recommended to have more damp hair when applying a mousse. So yeah, it's pretty damp, and man, like my hair kind of does feel... Hold up. Yo, I'm not even trying to exaggerate for the video or anything. Yo, my hair smells amazing. Yo, what? Is that the shampoo or the I'm not trying to like exaggerate or nothing. I swear to you guys. Okay, I don't know what that is. We're gonna move on. My hair smells amazing. And I'm not gonna lie, it kind of does feel a bit more like volumized. I can't really tell now because my hair's still wet, but so far it looks pretty good. I guess I should mention the volumizing shampoo and conditioners from Pete and Pedro. Like I said, I have used those before, but this video isn't sponsored or anything. None of these products I'm using is sponsored. I'm giving you my completely honest review and reaction, and yeah, I don't even know how to use this thing. This smells good too. Man, why does everything smell so good today? Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm too lazy to read the directions. Let's just... I'm thinking maybe like I think I read somewhere like a golf ball amount in your hand. I don't know, let's try it. Okay, that seems like a lot. Or maybe it's not, I don't know. We're just gonna rub it in, I guess. Oh my gosh, this feels weird. It smells pretty good. Yeah, it smells pretty good. I think it smells like coconut. It is coconut flavored, so that would make sense. It is coconut flavored, so that would make sense. And I think you're supposed to apply it more towards the roots and kind of scrunch. I'm not too sure, but that's what we're gonna do. Just kind of scrunch like this, and yes, this is the volumizing mousse, so I don't even know what to expect. All right, I just got done scrunching, and yeah, I mean, look at this, bro. Like, the volume in the, oh my, look, the volume in the front is insane. Bro, like this is about to expose my huge forehead, bro. Like, Okay, so far I'm liking this. It smells pretty good, and I feel like it's definitely giving my hair some hold. And I'm not stupid. I know you guys probably just want to see what my hair looks like at the very end, so I'll try to rush through these. So on that note, we are on to the next product. And again, I know nothing about this one. This is also my mom's, but that's okay. We're gonna learn together. And apparently this is some sort of root lifting foam from Wow, Color Wow. I don't know. And it is the extra large volumizer. And just like with the mousse, no idea how to use this. We're just gonna kind of wing it. So I'm gonna do like, oh, this barely pumps out anything. I'm gonna do like 3 of these, mix it around in my hand, and then I'm gonna apply it the same way I applied the mousse, just kind of scrunch it. Gotta make sure to get the back as well. All right, and I've been talking about the smells for all of these, and I'm not gonna lie, this one I can't really smell all too well. Like, it doesn't really have anything special to it, but I just got done scrunching it in. It honestly kind of felt just like the last mousse did, so let's just move on to the next product. All right, now on to the sea salt spray, and I'm excited to use this, and I have used this many times before. And I'm excited to use this because I actually know how to use it, unlike the other ones, because this one's actually mine. And this one's from Pete and Pedro again. This is the same brand that had the shampoo and conditioner. Again, not sponsored, but a really good brand. And the main thing with the sea salt spray is it's basically gonna give you a lot of texture and a lot of volume. And in this video, we're all about volume, so let's get it on. All right, so I usually just put around like 6 to 8 sprays. Not too much. Okay, that's probably good. And I love the smell of the sea salt spray. It honestly feels like I'm at the beach, but I am most certainly not at the beach. But it kind of looks like it with the hair and stuff. And all right, this is what the hair is looking like so far. Yeah, it's not usually this volumized up at the front, but we're not done yet. We still got one more product, so let's get right to it. All right, so I didn't put this in the beginning of the video because I wasn't too sure, but we're bringing it out. We gotta bring out the hair dryer. This will add even more volume to my hair. All right, yeah, that probably helped a lot. Like, yo, oh my gosh. Yo, what is my hair doing? What the? Look at the volume. Oh my gosh, it's like 2-3 inches high. Man, like I can't tell if it looks good or if it's actually just too much volume. All right, my hair is looking already super volumized. It's honestly probably volumized to the max. So now we're gonna lock it in with hairspray. And not just any hairspray, the Pantene Stylers Extra Strong Hold and Volume Hairspray. So even more hold, even more volume. Let's do it. I think you're supposed to get the roots, so I'm gonna do a few sprays there, do a few sprays here. Just kind of spray all over the hair. And again, I think you are supposed to use a hair dryer to sort of lock it in, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, just got done with the dryer, and oh my gosh, man, this is volumized, all right. But I'm gonna wait 5 more minutes. It's still not completely dry, and you guys will see the final result and what my favorite hair products were. All right, 5 minutes later, here we are, bro. Man, it's pretty volumized. So I really noticed a difference after I used the hair dryer, which is pretty obvious. So it's obviously pretty hard for me to just name one product that made my hair look like this, but there were definitely some products that I like better than others. In terms of the shampoo and conditioner, I really like those. It somehow made my hair smell really good. So I liked the mousse, and I thought it, you know, did a pretty good job making my hair more volumized and kind of curly. But the volumizing foam I used right after that, I honestly didn't really feel like that did very much, and it didn't smell good or anything. So really, I think just using the mousse is plenty, and I do think that's kind of how my hair got a little bit more wavy or curly. And what else got my hair to look more kind of wavy and curly is this right here, the sea salt spray, which I've already used before. I already love it. But for volume's sake, I honestly don't think this did too much. Like I said, it was more just kind of for texture. It made it look a lot better. But in terms of volume, if you're wanting to get volume, you could probably skip this one too. And then lastly, the hairspray. yeah, I mean, if you have a hard time getting your hair to stay up throughout the day, highly recommend this. But for me personally, I don't ever really have a hard time getting my hair like to stay up, so I probably won't implement this. But yeah, I know a ton of people, I get a ton of comments and questions saying, yo, it's super volumized at the start of the day, but in the middle of the day it just starts getting flat and starts just pushing down. So in that case, I would highly recommend some sort of hairspray along with the other products that I recommended. And yeah, at the end of the day, after all those products, this is what my hair looks like, super volumized. It's never looked this volumized, especially in the front. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see y'all in the next one.